Do you want to make money on JVZoo for free? Well, in this video, you will learn exactly how to promote JVZoo products as a complete beginner without spending a dime on paid traffic. And even if you're someone who has never made a dime online, you can do this too. But please remember, in order to start making money with JVZoo, you have to be willing to put in the work. So to all you lazy dum-dums who love to hide behind your faceless profiles and yell scam, 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 just click off this video. Like seriously, go watch some cat videos or something like that. But if you're here because you want to learn how to do this properly, then this is the video for you. Let's get started. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do to start making money on JVZoo is you're going to want to go ahead and set up a free account. To do this, you just want to go to the JVZoo website, and it's this button right here in the top right that says start for free. You want to click on this button, and this is going to take you to where you can get signed up with JVZoo. So pretty simple to do this. All you really have to do is just fill in some basic information like, name, email, create a password, select the country you're currently in. You click on I've read and agree to all, conditions and all that type of stuff. And then once you click on register, they will have you verify your email that you've, of course, signed up with. So you'll need to check your inbox, click on the verification link or whatever it is that they have you go through. And then from there, you could follow whatever other steps that they have, and then you can get your account set up. And before I actually log in and show you inside, I want to answer the question because I know that a lot of people are going to have this question. JVZoo is available worldwide. So anywhere that you are in the world, you can create an account for JVZoo, you can market their products, and they pretty much approve affiliates pretty much right away. So that's really the benefit with JVZoo. So if you are watching this and you're like, well, does this work in Nigeria? Does this work in Nepal? Does this work in Bangladesh or, anywhere else in the world? This is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry. Just go to the site, set up your account, stop waiting for someone else to, respond to your comment, and just go ahead and set up an account. And once you do that, then you of course decide to log in, which I'm going to do right now. So the very first thing that I highly recommend that you do before you start marketing anything on JVZoo is you're going to want to go ahead and go to this tab right up here. This is my account. And when you click on this, it's going to bring up a few different options, but what you want to look for is this option right here that says payment profile. So when you click on this, this is going to allow you to set up exactly how you want to get paid via JVZoo. So they have a few different payment methods. You could either get paid through their payment system, JVZoo Pay. Otherwise, you could also get paid through BlueSnap, PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and then you could also get paid through a physical check in the mail. So a few different options that you have right there. But what you want to do is, of course, go ahead and set up that payment information right there. And then from there, you can decide to market any of the products on JVZoo. So what you want to do then is you can go to the section that says affiliates, and there's this option right here that says find products. So when we click on this, this is going to bring up a list of different products that JVZoo currently has. And with JVZoo, their products are mostly range in like that make money online / online business type of category. So that's kind of how what most of their products are all about. They're kind of in that niche. But if we go to category right here, this does bring up a few different niches in here like health and fitness. You've got parenting and family. You've got like employment and jobs, education, cooking, food and wine, all that type of stuff, travel, writing. But I'd say the majority of what they have is kind of in that make money online or internet marketing niche. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and select that niche. But what you want to do is select the niche that you would be, of course, interested in getting into. So in my case, I'm going to go with internet marketing. And then from here, it's going to bring up a list of different products that they currently have. So with JVZoo, the way how they have it set up is that they display pretty much all their, the information, their products right here. So, here it shows the name of the product. And then right to the right here, it shows the launch date, how many products that they've, of course, sold at the time that it's been out, the conversion rate, the EPC, and then also the average price. So this is actually very good because if you are someone who is completely brand new, this is actually really good to know, because if you see that a product is getting lots of sales and selling very well, then this usually means that it is a really great product to consider promoting. And then also right here, the average price it shows is around $49. So what this means is for any time you make a sale of this product, you can get anywhere, usually around $49 bucks per single sale. So, I mean, you do the math for that. If you can get lots of sales for this, rather consistently, then you could definitely make some decent earning potential with this product right here. So what you want to do is you, of course, look through the different products that they have available and then see exactly what you would, of course, be interested in promoting. So if I want to promote, like, for example, this Video Maker FX product right here, I could simply click on the name right here. And this is going to take me to where I could, of course, check out, learn more about, what it's all about. So right here, I could, of course, request information or request permission to promote the product. So with JVZoo, what you, of course, have to do is you have to request permission to get your own affiliate link. So unlike programs like ClickBank, for example, where you can promote anything right away, with JVZoo, you do have to, of course, request permission. But on the benefit, on the bright side, you pretty much, write something along the lines of, hey, I just seen the product. May I have access to an affiliate link? You could just write something along those lines. And in most cases, they do usually approve most affiliates, but in some cases, they might, be a bit more selective in terms of who they allow to promote. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. But if you want to, of course, learn more about what it's all about, what I recommend that you do is, of course, view the sales page. So by clicking this button right here, we could check out exactly what the sales page is all about. So when we go to the sales page, this has a video that pretty much explains what it's all about. And what I always recommend is that before you market anything online, you always want to make sure that what you are looking into is of good quality. So you don't want to just market anything and everything, because this, I'd say, is easily the quickest way to destroy any credibility with your audience. And you never want that, because people, they buy from those that they know, like, and trust. So if you are marketing just a bunch of just random junk, then you are going to destroy your credibility with your audience. So always make sure that what you decide to promote is of good quality. So you could check out the sales video right here, learn more about what it's all about. You could even look at product reviews and see what other people are saying. But I'd say the best way to really know exactly, what you're promoting is of good quality is by testing out the product yourself, going through it, and seeing, exactly what it's all about right there. So that's what I recommend that you do. So if you have the money to buy the product, then I definitely recommend, picking the product up yourself, owning what you promote. That's always a great thing. Otherwise, in many cases, you could actually get access to a review copy, which if you go down to the bottom of the page right here, sometimes they will have a section where you can contact one of the actual vendors. And in many cases, they will provide you with a review copy. So in this case, it doesn't actually show it on here, but if we go back to the affiliate approval page right here, there is a section right here that says click here to go to JV page. And right here on the JV page, when we go here, there's actually, there should be a link on the bottom or somewhere where you can contact one of the members. So in this case, I could reach out to Peter, either through Skype or email. So what you could do is you could send them a personal message and say, like, hey, I just seen the Video Maker FX product. I think it looks really cool. Would you be open to providing me with a free review copy? Because I'd be interested in, of course, reviewing it and pretty much explaining exactly what it's all about. And in a lot of cases, since these vendors, they of course want to get more sales, they'll be open to providing you with a review copy where you can go through the product yourself, you could test it out, and then you can decide to create a review for that product. So once you find a good product that you feel good about promoting, then what I recommend that you do is, of course, request approval. And then from there, it really comes down to learning how to market that product. Now, the question is, how exactly do you go about getting customers to click on your affiliate link and then, of course, buy your product? There's lots of different ways to do it, but unfortunately, most people do it the wrong way. So what I want to first start off by doing is I want to show you exactly what not to do. So what a lot of people tend to do is when they have a product that they want to promote, they decide to start going all over social media and they spam their links. So in my case, I even have people on my YouTube channel who just spam their links. They just say, okay, free training, check out this thing right here. You'll get, $1,000, with no website. Click on my link right here. And, they're, it's faceless profiles, just spamming links, thinking that if they get enough random people to click on their link, eventually they're going to make money. But this couldn't be any further from the truth. So you have to really understand that people buy from those that they know, like, and trust. So if you are someone who is just hiding behind the faceless profile, you're just spamming links all over the place, you're just never going to make sales this way because people don't buy products this way. So it's very important that you really focus on providing with value. So people, they go to YouTube, they spam, in the comment section, they go to Facebook, they spam their opportunity here. And this is just not what you want to be doing if you are looking to really get long-term results online. So if you are someone who is completely brand new and you don't really have, a budget to spend on ads, and you really want to get into the results rather quickly, what I recommend that you do is you start off with something like product reviews. So one of the best ways of actually promoting products on JVZoo is you could decide to do product reviews on YouTube. So for example, I looked up Video Maker FX review, and the benefit with doing video reviews is that anytime someone goes on YouTube and they search up product name plus review, they're very likely in that buying mode. So if someone searches up Video Maker FX review, they want to know, okay, is this product actually worth it or not? Is this of good quality? Can I actually get, good results with this exact product? So these are questions that people are going to be having when they search up Video Maker FX review. And if you can provide a well thought out review where you go through the product, you explain all the pros and cons, you pretty much go over all the main features, and at the end you of course give your call to action, then this is a great way to get in front of lots of highly targeted people who are likely interested in, of course, buying that product. So you could, well thought out review, you could have your link in the description, and then at the end of your video you say, hey, hope you enjoyed this review. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can check out the first link in my description, and then that is when anyone who watches your video can decide to check out the product right there. And the benefit here is because they're searching up, for a review, these are people that are very interested in, of course, potentially buying that product. So you don't really need that many views on your video to start making sales with this method. I mean, in this case, we have a channel that has just over 500 subs, which really isn't that much. And he's ranking in the top 2 spot. He has over 1,000 views, and this video was posted over a year ago. So the other thing is, when you create a video, you put in the work once, you get the video up there, and then from there, the video is up there. Anytime someone watches the video and they buy the product, you of course get paid that commission. So if you want to create video reviews of digital products, the tool that I recommend using to record your screen is a tool called Screencast-O-Matic. This is actually what I use to record my computer screen, and this is a free tool that you can get. We could record your screen, and then you could pretty much go through the product right there and pretty much go over all the main features. Otherwise, if you don't feel comfortable creating like video reviews, for example, you could even do like written reviews where you can go on Google, search up product name plus review, and then here you'll find people who have created written reviews for that product right there. So you could either set up your own website and create a review that way. Otherwise, you could even use a platform like Medium, and then you can go and create a written review that way. So this is, of course, without you having to buy your own domain, is you can use a platform like Medium. So these, I'd say, is easily the 2 best options when it comes to promoting products online. If you are someone that doesn't really have a budget to spend on ads and you want to get results rather quickly, this is, I'd say, easily the best way to start. So that's pretty much everything that I want to really go over in this video. But the main thing that I want to really stress here is that if you really want to get results long term, what I highly recommend that you do is that you have a long-term mindset with this. You want to be doing this consistently. You don't want to be that person who just, okay, I'm just going to try reviewing one product and, hope that I get results rather quickly, because, chances are the first video that you make or the first article that you create is not going to be the best. But what you want to do is you want to do this consistently. The more that you do this, the better you're going to get at writing articles or creating videos, and the more products review, then that is more people that you're going to be getting in front of. So that's the main thing that I really wanted to stress in this video, is that the more action that you take on this, the more you actually implement, the more consistent effort that you're putting into this, the more likely you are going to get those long-term results. So that's the last thing that I want to mention. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments, is this something that you are going to take action on? Let me know in the comments. Just put in like, I'm going to take action on this because I actually want to get results, or just, kind of put something along those lines. But anyways, if you want to learn more about how to do all this stuff step by step, if you want to learn how to create a full, long-term affiliate marketing business, you could check out my first link down below, which is this link right here that says get instant access to my free affiliate jumpstart training here. And when you click on this link, it's going to take you over to this page where it's going to show you how to build a highly profitable business online by selling other people's products. So this is actually a 4-day training that I created myself, I put together, and all you have to do to get access to it is just go to this page, enter your first name, your email, click on the button, and then from there, you'll get instant access to my training right there. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up, and take care.